This is a camcorder. I found it in a dumpster about a year ago. At this point, it's probably about 20 years old. Now, for anyone who doesn't know what a camcorder is, it's what ancient peoples used to use to record video before smartphones were a thing. This camcorder will turn on if it's plugged into the wall with the charger, which plugs in down under here. But as soon as you unplug it, it stops. It turns off. Luckily for us, I bought a new battery. Ta-da! It makes all sorts of fun noises. That's because, unlike smartphones, which save videos and all your files to a chip, this one saves it to a tape. This little tape right here has all of the footage that this camcorder has. Actually, when I found this, it already had some footage of a little girl's birthday. I probably won't include much of that, but that birthday party was probably almost 20 years ago. That little girl might be my age, which is kind of crazy. Now, the other problem that we run into here, first we had the charging and that it wouldn't turn on. I got the battery. The other problem is I don't have a way to read this video. So you can see the camera's on right now. There's the playground. Off to my left, through this camera. So it's on camera mode. It works. You can see that. But it's got a VCR mode. And if we go there, I'm going to rewind a little bit. Play, you can see it'll play back footage. This is something that I took a while ago. I got this. So, as you can see, one end is USB, so it'll go right into my laptop. This goes through this little box, audio video capture device. And then I have these. You might recognize this. You see ports for these on the back of older TVs. This is an S-video cable. And then we also have this guy, which connects with these ones. Just an AV cable. It's like kind of like a headphone jack. But if we plug these guys, camera, this one goes here. And this one goes here. Then I plug this into my laptop, and then using a video recording software, I use OBS. We can play back the footage here and simply record it onto my laptop.
Now, I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty cool. I mean, it's a piece of technology that's almost as old as I am, and it's kind of obsolete at this point. I mean, nobody I know uses tapes like this to store video or to record video. But I think it's so cool. This is so much fun. I've been carrying this camera around a little bit here and there, and I've been recording some clips, just little bits of this and that. Roll film.
I want to see myself. Follow Jesus.